Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS IoT MDS-M700 medical box PC. So friend, ASUS IoT has announced the release of MDS-M700, an all-in-one medical box PC expertly engineered to deliver exemplary performance and service in diverse healthcare settings. And friend, as display and video capture technology advanced to ultra high definition resolution, MDS M700 is the forefront, boasting support for 4K UHD imaging that offers unparalleled clarity and precision in visualizing human tissue, vessels, and body structure. And friend, it helps to maintain a hygienic environment with resistance to alcohol, making it ideal for sterile settings such as surgery centers, operating rooms, and training facilities. Powered by Intel Core 13th generation processor and optional NVIDIA RTX A5000 or A4000 GPU cards, it delivers exceptional computing performance while operating quietly across a spectrum of applications. And friend, it excels in medical AI application, leveraging the power of NVIDIA graphics card to capture 4K video data and perform real-time AI-assisted analysis. It includes 3 Ethernet sockets for diverse data transmission pathways. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.